फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग देखेंगे केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर 1 सॉलिड स्टेट ऑफ 12th स्टैंडर्ड। आई एम गिविंग यू द फुल सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज। चलो हम लोग देखते हैं फर्स्ट क्या दिया है। चूज द मोस्ट करेक्ट आंसर। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज molecular solids are, so answer is B, amorphous solid. Second is, which of the following is n-type semiconductor? Your answer is C, Si topped with Ga. Third question is, in Fractal defect, your answer is D, overall electrical neutrality is preserved. Fourth is, in crystal lattice formed by BCC unit cell, the void volume is C, 32%. Next is fifth, the coordination number of atom is in BCC crystal has lattice is 4th, 8. 6 is, which of the following is not correct? Answer is C. If the number of atom is n, the number of octahedral void is 2n. 7th is, a compound forms HCP structure, number of octahedral and tetrahedral void in 0.5 mole of substance is respectively. Your answer is A. 7th is, Pb has FCC structure with each length of unit cell 495 pm. Radius of Pb atom is D, 175 pm. Next is given, answer the following in one or two sentences. First one is, what are the types of particles in each of the four main classes of crystalline solid? Answer is, the smallest constituent or particles of various solids are atoms, ions and molecules. Second one is, which of the three types of packing used by metals makes the most efficient use of space and which makes the least efficient use? Answer is, FCC has the most efficient packing of particles while SCC has the least efficient packing. Third one is, the following pictures show population of bands for materials having different electrical properties. Classify them as insulator, semiconductor or a metal. Your answer is, this picture A represents metal conductor and picture B represents insulator and picture C represents semiconductor. Next is fourth question, what is unit cell? The answer is, it is the smallest repeating structural unit of crystalline solid or crystal lattice, which when repeated in different direction produces crystalline solid lattice. The crystal are considered to consist of an infinite numbers of unit cells. The unit cell possesses all the characteristics of crystalline solid. Next, fifth is, how does electrical conductivity of semiconductor change with temperature and why? The answer is, since the energy difference between the valence band and conduction band in semiconductor is not large, the electrons from valence band can be promoted to the conduction by heating. Hence, electrical conductivity of a semiconductor increases with temperature. Next, sixth one is, the picture represent bands of MOS for SI. Label valence band, conduction band and band gap. Here we have to label the diagram. Here it is conduction band and this arrow is given band gap and this is valence band. Next is seventh one, a solid is hard, brittle and electricity non-conductor. It melts, conducts electricity. What types of solid it is? The answer is, a solid crystalline electrolyte like NaCl is hard, brittle and electrically non-conductor, but its melt conduct electricity. Next, 8th one, Mention two properties that are common to both HCP and CCP lattice. So answer is, in HCP and CCP crystal lattice, coordination number is 12 and packing efficiency is 74%. Next is ninth one, sketch a tetrahedral void. So your answer is tetrahedral void. The vacant space or void among four constituent particles having tetrahedral arrangement in the crystal lattice is called tetrahedral void. So here that is the diagram of tetrahedral void. So the last question is, what is ferromagnetic substance? So your answer is, the substance which possesses unpaired electrons and high paramagnetic character, and when placed in magnetic field are strongly attracted and show permanent magnetic moment even when the external magnetic field is removed, are said to be ferromagnetic. They can be permanently magnetized. In the solid state, metal ions of ferromagnetic substance are grouped together into small regions called domains, where each domain acts as a tiny magnet. So here it is the diagram of ferromagnetic property, and its example is Fe, Co, Cr, Cd and Ni. So here we completed the answer the following in one or two sentences. We have completed this much and answer the following in brief, and other some questions, 10 to 12 questions are there that are remaining, that I will give you in the next video. So thank you for watching my video. So like, share and subscribe.